Well, I just received Pokemon Mystery Dungeon 2 Time Exploration Team or something like that. So let's open it up.
Baby Babbles.
And also included is this thing, whatever it is. Probably get it special for pre-ordering it. Let's open up this first. This aside. Show that up tight. Came all the way from Hong Kong. Shipped on, I believe, 9/11. Oh, I said that here. 9/11. Yeah. Well, that sure is an interesting way of wrapping it up. Special guidebook. See that? Special guidebook. Can't quite see it with the iToy. Oh, so apparently that comes off. And it has a removable cover. That's cool. Let's open it up with the top. And Japanese crap! Yay! And Nunchucks. Table of contents. Basically, I think it's a miniature version of. I think it's just a miniature version of this, except for this. Anyways, let's keep looking at it. It shows all this. I don't really know what all this is. I think this part right here is starters. Could just be a super version of the manual. Oh, there's gender differences. Just like in Diamond and Pearl, there are gender differences. See? Can't read any of this. That's interesting. In case you're wondering, there is no GBA version for this game. Both versions are for the DS. I don't know who. Top 10 best things about Pokemon, maybe. I really have no idea. Ooh, a comic. Chimchar, are you okay? Ah, you're a Pokemon and you're talking! Of course I'm a Pokemon and I'm talking. You're a strange Chimchar. Ah, I'm supposed to be a human, blah blah blah, stupid, stupid, blah blah. Japanese, hotakoti, wigglyta. Yeah. Yeah, this is a long comic. To be continued. 9/13/2007. Yeah, that's already passed. That's actually when the game came out. Yeah, more interview things. It's the official strategy guide. It's the game. Stickers! It has stickers. I think I might wear one of those to school tomorrow. Anyways, that's cool. Eddie. Comes with the game for pre-order, I think. Anyways, let's go to the game itself now. It's 5 minutes. Otherwise Good God, I hate this thing. Whoa! It's cool. Well, first let's look at the box. Yeah, I'll open it first so you won't have all that stupid reflection. There we go. Got it. Shouldn't be wrong now. Well, anyways, obviously this game supports Wi-Fi. There we go. Okay, so it supports Wi-Fi. It's rated A. I guess that's Japanese equivalent of everyone. Pokemon Fushigi no Dajan something no Tenkentai. I haven't bothered memorizing it. Anyways, this is cool. So blue stuff over here, but here's the cool part. Apparently you can use Wi-Fi connection to send messages to a computer, a telephone, or your Wii. See? I'll try and see? It's freaky. Don't know how that exactly that would be implemented, but still it's cool. And I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, that's probably normal gameplay, but whoa, the Dialga looks cool. And then there's that. It's pretty slightly shiny. Yeah. Anyways, very different game as all this stuff on the side. But do I have a normal game? No, only a GameCube game. Anyways, let's open it up. I'm running out of time. I have to split this into. Ooh, whoa! Looks cool. Oh, let me check out this. Whoa, that looks cool. Way cooler than Pokemon Diamond. Diamond's just simple. Pokemon Diamond version. This is coolness. Maybe because it's Japanese, but anyways. And the game itself, shiny. Incredibly shiny. It's the name of the game. Very simple. Let's put this back in here. And it has a slot for a GBA game. Kind of pointless, but that's cool. That's cool. It's yellow. And the manual actually looks pretty cool. Probably gonna have to end up splitting this video into 2 parts. Very cool. It's Toki no Tenkentai. Pokemon Fushigi no Danjan Toki no Tenkentai. A lot of Japanese. Yeah, basically the same stuff that was in this. Start up the game, all the starters, how to play, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. I'm seriously running out of time. I really have no idea what this means. Looks like it's gonna have a lot of new features. Well, first I thought that said evolution in English. Yes, Piplup evolves into Turtwig, who evolves into Zubat, who evolves back into. Whoa, this Pokemon Square, it's not exactly a square, and yeah, it's cool. Seems to be talking about Wi-Fi. I wish I could speak Japanese. So to click wireless for a second. That is disturbing. But that. That's cool. Shows it. There's Wii. Wii! Tells you how to get your Wii friend code. And yeah, it looks like it can send messages to your Wii. Wii message board. Pretty cool. Gonna have to try that.